Hello students, in last video we had learnt about the uses of water and from where do we get water. Okay, so today we are going to study about the states of water. Okay, states of water. So student, water has three states: gas, liquid, solid. Means water is in a three state, that is gas, liquid and the solid. Solid, you see, gas means when you are cooking your food, that time vapors are coming from the food, that is called gas. Okay, liquid means the water in the bottle, that is liquid, and solid means ice in the fridge, that is the solid states of water. So gas means what, जब हम खाना पकाते हैं तब खाने से वेपर्स आते, वाफ स्टीम आती है, that is called the gas, that is a water, but that is in a gaseous form. Liquid means water in a bottle or water in a glass, that is a water in a liquid state. And solid means the ice from the fridge, so that is in a solid state. So these three states, so water has a three state, that is a gas, liquid and solid. Okay, so student, let's see how these states of water changes from one by one. From means the states of water changes from gas to liquid, gaseous states from to liquid states to solid state. We will see. So student, again these are the three states of water. First is a solid state, then liquid state, and this is a gaseous state. Okay, so student, first we will see on when you heat the ice. Okay, when you heat the ice, then ice turn into a water, liquid state. Okay, ice is in a solid state. Ice solid state में जब हम heat देंगे ice को, तो ice का क्या होगा, liquid state means water. Okay, again water, when you put this water in the fridge, when you put this water is in the fridge, so again water turns into the ice, means water turns into the, or liquid turns into the solid state. Okay, so by this way, on changing of the temperature, we can change the states of water from liquid to solid and from solid to liquid. Okay student, so in next, see here next, in this what will happen when we give heat, when we will give heat to the water, then what will started, vapors comes from the water. Okay, vapors, water start to boil and we get the vapors, so that is called evaporation. When vapors are coming from the water, means on the heating of the water, जब हम heat करते हैं water को, तो क्या आते हैं, vapors आते हैं, means on the heating of the water vapors comes to start, so that is called evaporation, and when we stop the heating of the water, then what will happen, some water droplets are settle on the glass, like this way, small droplets, or settle on the lid. मतलब जो स्मॉल ड्रॉप, जब हम हीटिंग बंद करते हैं वाटर की, जो स्मॉल ड्रॉपलेट्स है वो वाटर के यहाँ पे साइड में, ग्लास के साइड में बैठते हैं, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन. मीन्स व्हेन यू हीट द water gets boiled, and what will comes, vapors will come, so that is called evaporation. And when we'll stop the heating of the water, then the droplets or water are settled on the surface of the glass or surface of the bowl, so that is called the condensation of the water. Means when you increase or decrease, or when you change in the temperature, when you will change in their temperature, then water, the states of water also change. Okay, मतलब हम ये कैसे कर सकते हैं, हम टेम्परेचर में चेंज करने के बाद वाटर के जो स्टेट्स है वो भी चेंज होते हैं. करेक्ट. ऑन हीटिंग the ice start melt and we will get the water. Okay, when we again freeze this water, then what we will get? We will get the ice again. Okay, means here we change the temperature, and again on heating the water, the vapors comes out, or water get boil and vapors come out. That is called evaporation. And when we stop the heating, the water droplets settle on the surface of the bowl or surface of the glass. So that is called condensation. And this, why this happened? Because of the heating and because of the changing in the temperature of the water, there is a change in the states of the water. Okay, student. So now we will move on our next point, that is the disappearing trick of water. Okay. So student, see this disappearing trick of water, or it is also called the evaporation. Evaporation. I told you what is meant by evaporation. The changing of water into water vapor by heat is called evaporation. What is meant by evaporation? Or it is called disappearing trick of water. The changing of water into water vapor by heat is called evaporation. Means in evaporation, when we will give the heat to the water, then what will happen? Vapors come out from the water. So that is called evaporation. So very good example. See, your mother, she is drying the wet cloth. After washing the clothes, she is drying the wet cloth in the sunlight. Then what will happen? Because of the sunlight, the water from these wet clothes they will get heated, and after heating, what will comes out? Vapors. Water vapors comes out from the clothes. Okay, from these clothes because of the heating or because of the sunlight. So, and after some times our clothes get dried. Okay, our clothes get dried. So this is called evaporation. The changing of water into water vapor by heating is called evaporation. मतलब हम जब कपड़े सुखाते हैं सनलाइट में, तो क्या होता है? कपड़े में जो पानी होता है उससे क्या निकलते हैं? वाटर वेपर्स निकलते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ द सनलाइट. और बाद में क्या होता है? ये जो कपड़े हैं वो बाद में सूख जाते हैं. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड इवोपरेशन. Okay, you will see do at this home also. Take a water in the pot and start to boil the water. Give the heating or start to boil the water. Then you will see the small water vapor that comes out from the boiled water. So that is called evaporation. Okay, students. So students, what is for the evaporation? What is important? Heating. Heating is very important for the evaporation. So another example is the roads. When in the summer season, roads also get heated by the sunlight. When you drop some water on the road, what will happen? Some vapors comes out from the road. Why? So that is called evaporation. Why this happened? Because of the heating, because of the heat of the sunlight. The road get that water get evaporate. Okay, so students, on heating, water changes into water vapor. On heating, water changes into water vapor. So the changing of water into water vapor by heat is called evaporation. Okay, student, and with the help of this evaporation, the salt is also obtained from the sea or sea water. Salt will also obtained from the sea water because of this evaporation. So student, this is the first part of our water cycle. So this evaporation is also important for the water cycle. That we will see in our next video. So now we will discuss on the next point. So student, our next point is loss of water by plants. Loss of water by plants. That is called transpiration. First we had learnt evaporation. Next is a transpiration. Loss of water by plants. It is called transpiration. Okay. So students, plant prepare their own food in their leaves. Okay, so student, plants use the water, the some part of the water to prepare their food. So they prepare their food. So remaining water from that they will use to their different parts. Okay, and the see means when they prepare their food, that time they use the water. Okay, and then they prepare their food in the leaves. Okay, and remaining water is released by the plants into the air. So remaining water ये क्या है? What is this? This is called stomata. And see, they are having some small holes, and from these stomata that remaining water is released by these plant into the air, means as a water vapor. तो क्या होता है जब प्लांट उनका फूड प्रिपेयर करते हैं, दैट टाइम दे यूज सम वाटर and remaining water that retain or that remove from the stomata in the form of water vapor. So this process is called transpiration. Means through the transpiration. यहाँ से वो water है वो transfer होता है into water vapor. Means yeah, see, in the leaf of the plant they're having some water. Okay, in the sunlight they prepare their food with the help of water, and उनको जितना water लगता है उतना ही water लेते हैं वो. Okay, and then remaining water that will transfer into this stomata, and with the help of these small holes that water is changes because of the heating of the sunlight. That water is changes into the water vapor. So this process is called transpiration. Okay, so student, water vapor enters the air through the process of evaporation and the transpiration. So water vapor enters in the air or goes in the air through the process of evaporation and transpiration. Okay, so student, this is the next point of our water cycle. Okay, that and we will discuss more about on the water cycle in next video. So we had learnt about the evaporation and the transpiration. So student, now I have one activity for you. Okay, so what you will do this at your home and tell me your observation. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to take two plates, see, 1 and 2 plates, and then place one of the plates in the sunlight. You have to place one plate into the sunlight and one plate into the shade. Okay, and then what you will happen, then you have to add some water in both plates. You have to add some water in the both plates. Okay, and after 50 minutes you have to observe what will happen with this plate. तो आपको क्या करना है, 2 प्लेट्स लेने हैं, उसमें वाटर डालना है, और वाटर एक प्लेट को सनलाइट में रखना है और दूसरी प्लेट को कहाँ पे रखना है, शेड में, घर के शेड में रखना है. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व आफ्टर 50 मिनट्स व्हाट द चेंजेस. ओके, सो फर्स्ट माय क्वेश्चन इज that does the water seem to disappear? Okay, so my first question is, from which plates water get disappear? Obviously answer is from plate number 1. This is a plate number 1 that is in a sunlight, and this is a plate number 2 that is in a shade. So my first question is, from which plate water will get disappear? So water will get disappear from plate number 1 because that plate is in a sunlight. Okay, and see why? Because now we had learned that because on the heating, water start evaporate. Means water turns into the water vapor. So the water will disappear from the plate number 1 that is in a sunlight. Okay student, then So student, after some times you will see, you will observe the plate number 2. Say then so does the water will disappear from this plate? Yes, but very slowly, because see student, because this plate is in a sunlight, okay, and directly sun rays are falls on this plate, and this plate in a shade. So these from this plate water disappear very fastly, because it is in a directly in a sunlight. This plate is in a direct sunlight, but the plate that is in a shade, there that is in a shade, the sunlight there will reach very slowly. So from this water from this plate water disappear, but very slowly. Okay, so student, so because see, because all over this plate is in a surrounding. So in the surrounding, all the trees, then the floor all get heated, and because of this also water get evaporated very fastly. But the plate that is in a shade, there the sunlight reach there very slowly, so the water evaporated very slowly. Students, means from this plate evaporation get very faster, evaporation takes place very faster, and the plate that is in a shade, their evaporation takes place very slowly, because all surroundings get heated, because it's a daytime, and that's why from plate number 1 water takes place, from plate number 1 evaporation takes place very faster than the plate that is in a shade. Okay student, so student, you will also you have know that when we are heating water on the gas burner, okay, on the gas burner, so it evaporates very fastly, okay, but and in the evaporate very fastly, and when we keep that water in the sunlight, so it get very slowly, it evaporates very slowly, because sun takes more time to reach to the water, but on the gas burner it's evaporate very fastly. Okay, so student, this is all about the disappearing trick of water, means evaporation. Loss of water by plants means transpiration, and our next point, that is how clouds form, that you have to read, that we will see in our next video. Okay, so students, read all these points again from your textbook and complete your homework. Thank you students.